class 12. Now today we will continue exercise 7.3 integral calculus, chapter number 7. So last class we did till question number 12. Now today we will start from question number 13. So question number 13 is question number 13 exercise 7.3. Question number 13. So question number 13, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now this is the question. First we have to simplify and make it into standard form. This equals to, now what is the formula of cos 2x? We know that cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Then 2 cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is the formula of cos 2x. Now we have to put this formula here. So cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos square x minus 1 for cos 2x. Again we have to put the same formula. This is cos 2 alpha. So formula is same. 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by denominator cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha. So this equals to, so now open bracket, so 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha, minus into minus is plus. So we can put this plus and minus 1 in denominator, same, cos x minus cos alpha. We can take 2 common, so 2 is common. Inside the bracket cos square x minus cos square alpha is left, divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So here it is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So this equals to 2 is here. So it is cos x plus cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha, divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So we can cut these two because these are same. So left is 2 cos x plus cos alpha. Now we will get the standard form. Now we can integrate. So therefore integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So this equals to, now we can take 2 take outside, 2 integration of cos x plus cos alpha dx. So this equals to, what is the integration of cos x? So cos x, integration of cos x is sin x. So 2 inside the bracket there is sin x. So cos alpha, it is a constant. So only we have to integrate dx. So what is the integration of dx? It is x into cos alpha plus c. So this equals to 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha. 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. Now this is the answer. This is for question number 13. Now move to question number 14. Okay, question number 14 is cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. Now first we have to simplify this. So this equals to, this is cos x minus sin x divided by, in denominator we have to put the formula of 1. So what is the formula of 1? 1 is sin square x plus cos square x. This is the formula of 1. So cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is sin square x plus cos square x. Now again we have to put the formula of sin 2x. So what is the formula of sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x cos x. This equals to, numerator same, cos x minus sin x in denominator. Okay, look here. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. So it can be written in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square, so a plus b whole square, sin x plus cos x whole square. Therefore, integration of cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx equals to, so integration of, now what is the values of this? So this is the value of this cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now this sin x plus cos x is the substituent, because the differentiation of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x. So we can take this as substituent, sin x plus cos x. So let sin x plus cos x equals to t. Now differentiation of sin x is, it is cos x. Now what is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x dx by dt. Now differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt into 1 is dt. So cos x minus sin x dx is dt. Therefore, integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx equals to, we will write here this sin x plus cos x whole square. So this equals to, cos x minus sin x dx is t, dt. So it is dt. Now sin x plus cos x is t. So because of square there is a square, so 1 by t square. Now this equals to integration of, now reciprocating t to the power minus 2 dt. So this equals to t to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. This equals to minus 1 by t plus c. So this equals to minus 1 by what is t? sin x plus cos x minus 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c. Therefore, integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx equals to minus 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 14. Okay, this one for today. Thank you.